Where do you think you go, Mom?
What? You're going to eat breakfast?
No.
Y'all have breakfast. I'm about to eat breakfast. I'm about to go have some breakfast. I'm about to eat my ass off. And I'm looking good. I know I am. You're jealous.
Yeah. You bring me back some food, right?
Does somebody have a job?
Oh my God.
I want you to get your ass up today, go out and look for a job. The word today is job. J-O-B. You hear me?
That's fine.
I take Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, and
Charm.
what else?
Charm.
Chime.
Apple Pay? Wait, you said Apple Pay?
And I know Western Union is a little ancient. I take that too.
You said Western Union, they not gonna do it. How about food stamps? Can we do food stamps? How about food stamps?
I know I'm a Democrat, but damn. Can we say if somebody's looking for handouts?
I don't know nothing about Democrats or Republicans. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not there yet.
That's crazy. Well, you know Kamala.
I know of them, but you know.
Kamala, baby.
Yeah.
Kamala, baby.
My mom trying to roast me.
Yeah, they turned this AC on.
Why she roasting me for? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another vid. Yeah. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? You know I gotta put out a banger. You know I have to. But today, we got something special. You know? So my brother's coming with some spicy, I'm not sure, wings or nuggets. But all I know is he hit me up and was like, I want to do this spicy challenge. He wants to see if we can withstand. I don't know where he got it from. So we'll see. I don't know, you know, as in food wise of like what it is. But all I know is I like spicy food. So my confidence level is up here. Personally. And that's just me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about my brothers. I know they do like spicy food, but I don't know to what extent, to be honest with you. So it's gonna be my brother and my little brother. You know what I'm saying? Just my brothers. It's gonna be my brothers. So yeah, one of my brothers, I think he's in the shower right now, so we're gonna get his, you know, opinion if he thinks he's gonna be able to withstand it. I don't know. My older brother's not here yet, so we're gonna wait until he gets here to see what he has to say. And yeah, niggas trying to get lit. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we might smoke a little Blizzington beforehand to spice it up just a little bit. Maybe take a shot. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, I turned 21. That's kind of messed up. They try to say happy birthday in the comments. You know, that's really messed up if you think about it. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. It's like, nah, y'all good. Y'all cool. It's not about me. It's about entertaining y'all. You know what I'm saying? That being said, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? That would be my birthday wish, y'all. Even though it would be a belated birthday, that would be my birthday wish. If y'all could like, comment, subscribe. Your boy just turned 21. Niggas getting older. You know what I'm saying? I'm damn near pushing like 40, 50. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be in a nursing home in about 10 years. Okay? So, come on. Let's get it. Like, comment, subscribe. And we gonna get lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait till my brother got the shower to get his reaction. And yeah. Alright, see y'all in the next clip. What's good, y'all? This is like a few hours later. I'm not gonna lie. My brother, he just got here. So, 3 hours late. It's like, nah. There was no time limit on this. We was just low-key doing this whenever. Why does it look blurry, man? Yeah, nah, but we was just gonna do this whenever. Like, any time. Today wasn't really no, you know, set time. But we got the hot shit. Ugh, why stink? Ugh. That's supposed weird if I go out. That's supposed weird. Alright, anyways. We're gonna set up real quick. And, yeah. I'm gonna hit y'all when we're done setting up. Let me see. There you go. Alright, nah, niggas is low-key thinking about it.
Chop.
Play now.
Sorry.
Now where? Alright, y'all, we just done setting up. What happened? You wanna see yourself?
Yeah, shoot.
I got you. Okay.
You know, you got to see if you're not chopped, nigga.
The most dark-skinned niggas be light-skinned.
You know.
So wait, do you think you eat hot food, bro? Are you good at eating hot food, bro? Let's be honest,
yeah.
bro. You good?
I used to get that Thomas shit, bro. You know what I'm talking about.
From where?
Wingstop,
Stop, bro.
I
think you talking about like.
I could eat. I feel like I could generally eat a ghost pepper. A chili
generally?
Ghost pepper. Yeah, hell yeah. I feel like I generally eat a.
You won't be one of the niggas that throw up?
Hell no, I'm not white. Nigga. That's some white niggas. White niggas be.
Yo, you know niggas gonna take that to heart, bro.
My fault. No, I love y'all white niggas.
Yo. I was about to say, he and a white girl.
Off mountains and shit.
You like snow bunnies.
Jumping off fucking helicopters with no parachutes. Fuck it. I fuck with that heavy.
Said with no parachutes.
Niggas gonna know.
No, we're no, where's it? And we got Noah. Noah. Yeah, no, we just got done setting up.
Yeah, better get this shit right.
We better get this shit rolling. We're Noah.
Yeah.
How do you think? Wait, what is it? Wings? Chicken wings? What is it?
It's chicken. We about to show y'all what it is.
Okay, we're not gonna say anything yet. We're not gonna say anything.
Show y'all what this joint looks like.
Yeah. Because I couldn't tell him what it was because I wasn't sure if it was nuggets really or like. All right.
John Deadly. It's John Deadly.
Is it really gonna make your?
Make sure I can mix.
Yes, sir.
What's good, y'all? I am editing right now, by the way. I was not able to get that footage of us eating the spicy chicken. I know it sucks. Realistically, it matters how right now I'm not showing it, but I'm raging in the inside. I'm not gonna lie, but luckily my brother has it, and on his camera. So make sure I go subscribe to him because he's gonna upload that video soon. But I'm also gonna upload that video on my channel once I get that footage from him. All right, so that'll be a whole separate video. Don't be mad. We did the challenge 100%. We did it. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully you enjoyed his freestyle though, at least. All right, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All right.
Okay. This shit is over. Lucky for the clover. Throw a nigga up again. No, this shit not over. No, this shit not over. Get it cause we rating. Knowing we not left. All the bitches by my side and I'm banging on my chest.
Yeah.
I'm a beast little nigga.
Yeah.
Beast little nigga. Eat little nigga.
Okay.
Feed that little nigga.
Damn.
That little nigga.
Yeah. Feed that little nigga.
Yeah.
Little nigga tweaking.
Little
nigga feed.
Yeah. Nigga, yeah, we feeding. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Now we're in the feeding. Okay. Trying to get money. That nigga funny. He really dummy. Yeah. He really dummy.
Hey.
He really dummy.
Hey.
She think I'm really funny. She a dummy. I'm a dummy. Ooh, but she a dummy.
Yeah.
She a dummy.
I'm
trying to be funny.
Jumping that Henny, getting that Henny, getting that money. Drinking that Henny, she getting funny, she getting ready.
Yeah, she getting money. Yeah.
Smoking that shit. I'm getting up in that bitch.
Wait, what are you smoking on, nigga? Why you?
Nigga, white. This shit not ass.
Yeah.
This shit real heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy in the sky.
Yeah.
Feeling dumb. Feeling real ready.
Yeah. Huh.
Ready. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, we ready. Yeah. Trying to go to the telly. Yeah. Busting her belly. Yeah. Yeah. Trying to get cheddar. Trying to get better.
Trying to get lit. Alright, let's jump back and forth.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Jump back.
Hey,
Wow.
damn.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm about to blow up some shit.
I'm about to fuck up some shit.
Shit. Why we geeking this shit? Why we leaving that bitch? Hey, when we up in that bitch, when we up in that sky, then we tweaking this shit like
Like what? Like what? Like huh?
Yeah.
What, bitch? You say you wet, bitch? Yeah. You wet, bitch?
Hey,
You wet, bitch? Hey. You got that?
That shit. Hey. This shit. Hey. Nigga really signed for what? Nigga really signed because. Damn. Because. Nigga really signed with. Nigga really signed with the bro. Nigga really signed with the hoes today.
I'm really sliding with the O's today, and I'm sliding with the bros today.
Yeah.
And it was, yeah, we rode the blunt because it's okay.
Yeah.
We trying to go to the moon, that's okay. Trying to get to the moon, that's okay. We trying to go,
but it's okay.
yeah. Damn, I came in later sound.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay. My fault.
In the city, we on streets. On the street. Ooh, racing around the street.
Yeah, you don't know me. Yeah, I'm filming shit like it's Sony. Yeah.
Shit like it's Sony. I'm trying to feel like a homie. I'm trying to go through that ham, nigga. Damn. Yeah, that's my fucking little plan, nigga.
Yeah.
Women, damn. Yeah, I'm on that magic shit. Damn. Magic mice, but I don't got no in that bitch.
Yeah. Magic Mike, I don't got nothing in it. Yeah. Magic Mike, I just want some business. Yeah.
Magic Mike, we don't have no bikes, yeah.
I'm trying to go.
No, word.
Nigga really side because nigga really side with the hype. Nigga really got it. Yeah. Nigga really side with the mob. Nigga really side with the stick.
Yeah.
Helping out, doing out.
Okay. Whoa. Damn.
Pause.
Okay. Whoa. Damn. Pause. Okay.
Whoa. Nigga really up again. Nigga try to find his friend. Nigga try to find his man. Nigga really find it. Damn. I don't really get no fuck. Nigga really up again. Yeah, I'm fighting with trying to find my twin. Yeah, my twin.
Damn. Yeah. Trying to find my twin.
We on the road, we speak getting up tools. We speak getting them tools.
Yeah, we getting them tools. Yeah, we getting them tools. Yeah. That's it.
For the beat?
Back.
Opportunity was proven superior.
Nah, no bullshit. It's good.
Reducing the risk of HIV.
No bull.
Must be
No bull. Here.
Ching chong wang mao.
Ching chong.
Ching chong, what I mean,
Okay. Whoa. Wait. Whoa. That was racist.
That was fucking racist.
But fuck it. Cause
This is hard.
I don't give no fucks. Shut the fuck up. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. We smoking a Zias. I don't fuck with nobody but my mom. That's my mom. Yeah. Yeah. We getting real high. High to the sky. That's not a lie. Yeah. I'm skipping shit like it's a bar.
Feel like I'm dreaming.
Yeah.
Like, this shit feel like a dream. I wanna go with the team. I wanna go and get high. Riding around with a beam. Riding around with a beam. Damn. I'm trying to do my little thing. Right, I'm gonna cut it. Right, we gonna flex. I'm not gonna talk to my ex.
Okay.
That little bitch on my ex.
Okay.
I don't wanna talk to her. She don't wanna talk to me. That bitch look like a flea. That bitch look like a bug.
Okay.
That bitch look like a bitch. That bitch really need hugs. Damn. That bitch really.
Yeah. That shit really bugs. Yeah.
This shit.
Whoa. That shit really bugs. Yeah. Now, what's up, man?
shit. Damn, this nigga called me. That shit crazy. That shit crazy. Oh, so bitch just ate me. Yo.
Whoa.
Damn, yo,
Bitch just ate me.
Walk around with a stick. Ooh, walk around with a stick. Oh, she not with a flick, but she not with a flick. Oh, she's not fucking.
Yeah, she's not. Yeah, she's not with the shits. Oh, is that an ad? Whoa, whoa. In the night, I picked up your in the night. Nigga, what you mean? Yeah, what you mean? Yeah, what you mean? Why? Nigga, you ain't alright, nigga. Oh, yeah, you really knew. Yeah, you had a clue. Yeah, I'm not a fool. Yeah. You cannot trick me.
Why she looking like a floozy?
Bro.
Poopy duty.
Boozy. Yeah. Why? Yeah. She look at me. Yeah.
You got booties. You funny.
Yeah.
I'm really moody.
Yeah.
You getting coonie.
Yeah. I'm really coony. Yeah. Like George Clooney. Yeah. Making a movie. Yeah. That's really Clooney. Yeah. I'm making a movie. Like, yeah. I'm not trying to be rude, but I make movies like make movies like Tom Cruise. Make movies like Cruise. Yeah. Make movies like Cruise. Yeah. I'm really taking a cruise.
Really trying to grow.
Yeah. I'm really trying to cruise.
We box Avengers too.
There's two, cause we had like really moves, cause we make many moves, yeah, really moves, so we bring like